In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Pencil 1 Hard in Krita. To get started, select the Pencil 1 Hard brush. Press F6 to open the brush preset's docker if it isn't already visible. In the search bar, type Pencil 1 Hard, or look for the preset named Pencil 1 Hard. Once you find it, click the preset to select the brush. The Pencil 1 Hard brush is used for creating sharp pencil-like strokes with clear edges. To use it, select the brush and start drawing on your canvas. Adjust the brush size depending on the type of lines and details you want to create. Use a smaller brush size for thin lines, fine details, and precise sketches. Increase the brush size for thicker strokes and larger areas. The Pencil 1 Hard brush is commonly used for sketching, outlines, line work, and adding details to artwork. It is useful when you need clean and defined pencil strokes. When using this brush, create your artwork by adding strokes gradually. Adjust the brush size as needed while working on different parts of your drawing. Once you have selected the brush and adjusted the settings, you can continue creating your artwork with sharp and controlled pencil strokes. And that's how to use Pencil 1 Hard in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.